You add that in, you see how it's behaving. This is what I was telling you. If you just do one egg, you don't get lots of bubbles. I've just tasted one. Hi, my friend. Oh, it's crunchy outside, then as you chew, it's cakish taste, you know. That's what's up. If you're new here, karibu sana. If you're one of the subscribers, thank you so much. If you're watching my videos and you've not subscribed, anyway, consider subscribing. It's free of charge, and that's the only way you get to support me. So let's jump straight into today's video. Today's video is so interesting because I had missed you. It's been long. I had missed a one-on-one video. Yeah, it's been long. So welcome. Today I want us to cook sweet mandazis. That is how I call them because they are normal. You know these mandazis you buy from supermarket, these small ones. Okay, they're generally small but very sweet. Most of the time we buy when we are traveling. Unazijua. Alafu if you are in town, I used to buy them pale, is it Jumia Mosque or Jumuia or Jumia Mosque, around there. Yeah, there are those mamas who sell this sweet mandazi. So I want to show you how to do it, and I have very important hack, and I will show you. So here are my ingredients. So guys, for our sweet mandazis, we'll need I'll grate this one, so I'll just use to cover juu. I'll grate it. I'll show you, of course, unga. So with this one glass, I'll only need one egg. If I overdo the eggs, kupika, you'll find hizo povu, you know, it will form. I'll insert a photo. I'll insert a photo to show you someone who has used a lot of eggs, how it will behave while cooking. Then I have these are three and a half tablespoons of sugar because it's sweet mandazi, from the word sweet, you know. After that, we'll use cinnamon, just a pinch. That is it is optional. And then I'm using some very generous amount of blueband. You see? Yeah, I know it might seem a lot, but this is the hack. In fact, blueband is what makes your mandazi to be that kabujubuju, like so tender, soft, and you know, it's blueband and not eggs. Sawa. Silete mchanganyiko. After that, I'll not use water. Instead, I'll only use milk. Very pure milk. Don't add water. Sawa sawa. So yeah, let's do this. Okay, to our first step. Leave it in ndogo na you feel like you're doing kalongo. Anyway. Then you drop in here. I want to blend because I don't have time. Okay, if you don't have a blender, you can whisk. Yeah, but you really have to whisk paka ikuwe very fine paste. Nilijua tutamwagika. Like that. Don't worry. The masses. Here's our mixture, you see. So I'll save it. I'll use it later on. So this lemon is for flavor and preservation, and here we are for taste and preservation. So we'll add this here, inside here, in our mixture. Now we are going to our dry ingredients. I want to use one in a glass or one tumbler. just want to do kidogo because yeah, just kidogo. And here we are, guys. This is super hot. It's so hot, so I have to be so careful right here. You add that in, you see how it's behaving like it's cooking like that. Ooh. And then I'll use muiko to just mix that. Did you see that? That right there is another hack for you to achieve that cakeish look in your mandazi, you know. Yeah, so I'm happy. Let me do it again. Let's see if it will boil. Oh, it's boiling. It's boiling again. That is nice. So let me just open up. This is the second time I'm cooking mandazi. I did this last week. I wanted to show you. So when I just poured in my cooking oil, I noticed that I had not clicked the record button. Imagine. And that was the second most hack that I wanted you to get. So you can imagine, I just had to delete those videos. I was in denial. I was like, I'll just explain to them. Let me just cook. Let me do the whole process, blah, blah, blah. So when I was editing, I was like, no, I really wanted them to get that hack. Yeah, so first hack, don't use a lot of eggs. Instead, use 1 or 2, depending on the amount of flour you're using. Next hack, for that cakeish look in your mandazi, use super hot cooking oil. And now I'm going in with our mixture. Yeah, to mix. This is so nice. And of course, I'm using everything. Economy is bad. Nothing is left unturned. No stone unturned. So yeah, just do. Just mix. Remember, we still have our milk. So you'll just mix until you meet the dough you want. So I'll be adding in my milk gradually so that I don't end up with too soft dough. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you. Just don't use so very little cooking oil. In the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I want. This is how our dough looks like, you see. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Anyway, I'll cover that for like 40 minutes. But sometimes I overdo. And it's been an hour. They may overdo, but see? Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not. You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me. Done to me. So I'm just going to make. My God, I'm misusing my wine glass, but it's okay. Use what you have to achieve what you don't have. You know, I wanna wake up with you. First, let me just remove it. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. We can do nothing. It's boiling, it's bubbling. that you know it's ready. That is when you know your cooking oil is ready and it's yearning for your mandazis, you know your cooking oil is ready. So let's go. Here you come right up, good. Dip in, it comes right up. That is when you know it's ready. And my cooking oil is yearning for more. There you go. Come right up, come right up. Come right up. This is our first bunch. Come right up. And you try to be fast because your mandazi should turn golden brown. You see, a very nice golden brown. This is what I was telling you. If you just do one egg, you don't get lots of bubbles. But when you do more than 2-3 eggs, where ungekuwa na povu mingi. Ha! I've just tasted one. Hi, my friend. Hey, it's so nice. You know that kamandazi that it's crunchy outside, then as you chew, it's cakey like inside, or cakeish taste, That's what's up. This is how they look like. I like the fact that they didn't soak mafuta. You see, you can hardly notice that I used yeah, forget that little hand you saw. We meet again in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to pray. Prayer is a weapon. Bye.